Yeah, why are you guys so bothered about equator ceremony? See, if I talk about BTech Marine Engineering in India, I'm talking about only two colleges. You want to earn more, right?
Hi everyone, this is Team Merchant Navy Decoded back again with another set of questions from you guys on Instagram, and we'll be asking all of these questions to Chief Engineer Praneeth Mehta sir. So let's begin.
Let's begin.
So sir, the first question is, will it be difficult for GME aspirants to get jobs as freshers? Will there be any job cuts or less opportunity?
See, it all depends on which college you have joined. Join a good college, go through Anglo Eastern, go through IMS Goa with sponsorship, go through Great Eastern, join a good reputed shipping company. This thing will never happen. But you make a mistake, you choose a shortcut, then definitely these questions are going to come to your mind and they're going to disturb you, and then you're going to regret later in life as well.
Another question comes, what is the scope of engineers in Navy?
Scope of engineers in merchant navy, I guess you're talking, because you're talking to chief engineer Praneeth Mehta. बहुत scope है यार. बिना engineer, without an engineer you cannot, without engineers you cannot run a ship, because we are the one who are managing. Like without deck officers you cannot run a ship. So it's like a team working together. So we need engineers, guys, to run a ship, to maintain a ship.
Sir, can automation come in ship?
Yes, definitely. There were times when people used to ride bullock carts, then came cycles, then came rickshaws. Today we have got electric cars coming from Tesla. So automation is definitely going to come someday or the other, though there are huge challenges. But who thought someday we'll be flying? Right? So if automation comes, please don't be scared. But what you need to be scared with is your attitude. Are you ready to change with the coming times, or do you want to stay there thinking, अरे यार ये हो गया तो मैं क्या करूँगा, ये हो गया तो मैं क्या करूँगा? No, it's not gonna work. So work on yourself, work on your skill set, and then this question will never come in your mind. Jai Mata Di.
A tensed student asks, will jobs and salary be same in the future?
Well, do you want them to be same in the future? No, you want them to increase, right? You want to earn more, right? But it all depends on your skill set, and also this salary thing is a demand and supply thing. So if the demand is more, then definitely the salaries are going to increase. But what if the supply is more than demand? Then there are going to be cuts as well.
What will be the duties of TME?
Duties of TME, guys, I will be pleased. All those people who are watching this video, go to my website called Merchant Navy Decoded. Go on to the blog section. You will find blogs on various topics written over there. Very soon a blog on duties of TME will be coming over there, and please read that blog fully and you will get all the information.
A student says, sir, if I don't have a chance in Anglo, Samudra, Great Eastern, which college should I choose for GME course?
IMS Goa with sponsorship.
A student asks, sir, equator crossing ceremony abhi bhi celebrate karte hain kya?
Yeah, why are you guys so bothered about equator ceremony? What's wrong in mocking at yourself first of all? What's wrong in that? See, coming to the senior level, I would never say कि ये चीज़ होनी चाहिए. I would never say that never in favor of equator ceremony. But on the other hand, as a junior, why are you afraid of such things? Become a part. If people are laughing at you, you also laugh at yourself. There's nothing better than that in life. I have met people who have got great sense of humor, and that great sense of humor does not come at the expense of mocking at other people. It comes at the expense of mocking at themselves. So learn from stand-up comedians and let people mock at you, and you mock at yourself. Nothing will happen. Everything will be fine. Don't make a big thing out of this equator ceremony, guys. Please.
So what is the procedure of getting placement in Anglo Eastern Company step by step?
Go read my blog on graduate marine engineering. It's on Merchant Navy Decoded. A complete blog mentioning each and everything in detail is there, and I think it will be of great help.
Sir, in the current scenario, is GME and pure marine engineering treated in the same way in terms of recruitment?
See, today I think so the balance has shifted. Today, when I talk about marine engineers, those who have dedicatedly chose this career, sadly their placements have gone down, which is, I think, bad. Today, Tolani or MERI Kolkata, the top two colleges in India, are also suffering with lack of placements. And on the other hand, Anglo Eastern, they have started the GME, they have got their 100% placement. so does Samudra, so does Great Eastern, so does even IMS Goa is having 100% placement, barring a few students not getting placed if they do not have sponsorship. So the balance has shifted, but I would request the government of India and all the shipping companies to choose these candidates as well, those who chose marine engineering over any other field. This is all I can say.
So, what is the future of merchant navy, and will autonomous ship take the jobs of people?
Guys, see, first of all, when you guys talk about autonomous ships, why are these questions coming in your mind? I just want to say one thing, please do not worry about merchant navy, do not worry about autonomous ships, worry about yourself. Today I am going on an Activa and I get injured so badly that I cannot join merchant navy. My career is in shatters, in ruins. What will I do? Now I cannot think, अरे मेरे पास तो merchant navy की job थी, वो चली गई, अब मैं क्या करूँगा? No, I have to get up and start again. So please work on yourself, your attitude, your mindset. Don't think about कि अगर ये job नहीं रही तो what will I do? If this job is not there, I'll do something much better. I'm a fighter. I'm not going to quit. I'm not going to give up. Just work on that. Work on your knowledge. Work on your skills. You are never going to feel the scarcity of jobs coming for you, for sure.
So, what is the total cost of doing BTech Marine Engineering in India?
See, if I talk about BTech Marine Engineering in India, I'm talking about only two colleges. That is MERI Kolkata, where the cost is around 9 lakh rupees for 4 years. And another is BTech Marine Engineering from Tolani Maritime Institute, where the cost can go up to 25 lakh rupees. These are the only two colleges that I'm interested in, no one else.
Two students asked the question, how to go for ETO or how to become ETO?
Okay, well, the question is similar. The answer is go read my blog on website Merchant Navy Decoded. You are going to find a wonderful blog on ETO. You'll get all the information out there, and I think so that will be sufficient enough. Please go read the blog.
So, what is the higher salary in GP rating side?
The highest salary I can say can go up to $1,500, $1,700. This is the maximum that I know of. That is a salary of maybe a fitter or a bosun or a pump man.
A student asks, Sir, GP rating person clears third mate exam. Can Anglo taking GP background officer or not?
A lot of companies do not take people from GP rating background as officers or as engineers. But still there are a lot of companies who do that. So my recommendation is, if you are working in a shipping company and you are doing GP rating from there, make good contacts. Do such good work that people vouch for you. So that tomorrow when you become an officer or an engineer, people say, nahi, mere ko ye banda mangta. I want this guy with me. So what he's done from GP rating, but he knows his work, he's smart, he's intelligent.
So a student asks, AMIT Chennai is good for GME or not?
Well, I am not going to answer this thing directly. All I want to say is, if you want to go for GME, the top two choices are IMS Goa and Anglo-Asian Maritime Academy. No one else.
When you get placed in a ship as an engineer, can you change your ship like gas tanker, bulk carrier, etc. and how?
Well, this is a very good question. As an officer, as a deck officer, it becomes very difficult to switch over from a bulk carrier to a tanker or to a chemical tanker, because the loading and discharging thing is completely different. So it is very difficult over there. But as an engineer, it is much more easy because the machineries remain the same. Like it was easy for me to go back to go to bulk carriers and then switch back to tankers. It was not difficult, provided I had good appraisals. All I needed was DCE, that is dangerous cargo endorsement, whether for a gas carrier or for a tanker. So you need to, I will make a separate video on this one day for sure.
A student is asking, sir, company join करने में पॉलिटिकल रेफरेंस लगता है क्या? फ्रेशर्स के लिए मिनिस्टर का रेफरेंस?
भाई देखो, मेरे पास कभी कोई रेफरेंस रहा नहीं और मैंने कभी लगाया नहीं, तो मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई डू नॉट नो, बट आई गेस रेफरेंसेस वर्क इन एवरी स्ट्रैटा ऑफ लाइफ. माइट बी वर्किंग इन मर्चेंट नेवी एज वेल. डिपेंड्स कि किसका रेफरेंस आप कहाँ लगा रहे हो. इट माइट वर्क, बट डू गिव इट अ ट्राई.
A student is asking, sir, I have to learn all machineries quickly, A to Z. Guide me, sir.
नहीं सीख सकते, impossible. You cannot learn A to Z all the machineries in a day or quickly. There is no such word as quickly. Learning and patience go together. साथ साथ धीरे धीरे with persistence. You cannot give up कि that today you have studied 4 hours and next 4 days you don't study at all. It does not work that way. All I can say is I'm laying that platform on my Merchant Navy Decoded website in the form of Dreamers package, Visionary package, Achievers package, then Electrical package will be coming soon. So those videos, those packages are going to help you for sure in learning machinery, in understanding, then go back on ship, work practically on board ship, read manuals. You are definitely going to reach the zenith soon.
So another question comes, how chief engineers cope up with TME?
See, we do not have to cope up with TMEs. Sometimes TMEs have to cope up with chief engineers like us, who can be shouting at them, who can be who can get angry at them at times, rather most of the times, right? But all I want to say is ki if I am looking at a junior engineer or a TME, I am looking at someone who is ready to learn, who is ready to take initiatives, who can be stupid but a hard working one, who is ready to work hard. This is all I want to see in a TME. Willingness to learn, taking initiative, hard working.
A student says, hello sir, which is best on overall criteria, tankers or gas tankers?
What you mean over here is in gas tankers or in oil tankers where you can see your career graph growing, where you can earn more money, then in that case it is surely gas tankers, and more so I would say LNGs.
For ETO, which college is best, and is there still scope of job left for coming future ETOs? Please answer, sir.
Oh God, Jai Mata Di. This is like, you guys, this question is like, oh God, there is nothing left for ETOs. No guys, it is not like that. The first question is, which is the best college? That is definitely Anglo-Indian Maritime Academy, and you will join Anglo-Indian for there. So first option is this. Second thing is, see, today automation is becoming an intrinsic part of merchant navy. So you can never say कि ETOs के job finish हो जाएंगे. Yes, there are a few shipping companies where ETOs have slowly been phased out. Yes, but they are very few. Majority of shipping companies still have ETOs with them. I can give a small example, like one of my friends who is a chief engineer who was joining this ownership company, and he was ready to join. Even I was very happy that he was joining this ownership company. But the moment he came to know that there is no ETO, he just backed out. Even I would have backed out, because I understand the importance of ETO on board ship. It is highly challenging without an ETO. Today it is all automation out there. This is all I can say.
Another student says, hello sir, I am preparing for IMU CET for marine engineering course. Please guide me something.
Well, join my Telegram group, IMU CET Decoded. A lot of questions are being asked over there. A lot of teachers are helping you out. Most importantly, information from the director of JMDI Academy will be there. We will be guiding you, will be mentoring you. Jai Mata Di.
A student wants to know, what is the main factor interviewer wants to know about the candidate?
First thing is knowledge. Second thing is confidence. I think so these two parameters just fulfill all the criteria.
Another student simply writes, sponsorship available forms.
Go to my Telegram channel, IMU CET Decoded. Join there. You will be getting all the information out there, because there are a lot of students out there helping each other out, sharing the information that they know, and it will help you out as well.
Now the last question, sir. Student asks, will you be starting any batch for class 4 TME anytime soon?
Well boys, I do not know what future has in hold, but definitely if you want to earn respect on ship, it comes with knowledge, and knowledge comes with Dreamers package, Visionary package, Achiever package. I assure you that. And in future a lot more things are definitely being planned, but I need some time. Jai Mata. If you have not watched the part 1 of this interview series, please watch by clicking on the link in the video out here. Thank you very much. Jai Mata.